This is my first time of being close to a beehive. This is on my father-in-law's property up in Stem. And these are beehives that are fully functional, and I've never seen this brand before. It's called ANEL, and it is all plastic with a nice wood stand sit on concrete. And I must say, we've got a lot of activity going on here. Let me zoom in. I'm not really eager to get right up on it. Very active. Let's see what things look like from the back. No activity here. And no activity here. But let's take a look around the corner here. Busy, busy, busy. As long as I don't make any threatening move, the bees are not going to bother me at all. Just look at all those bees. Taking a look at this really brings to life the phrase, busy as a bee. One last close look, and then I'm done. So for those of you curious about the latest in apiary supplies, there you go. See you later, honey.